Hello everyone, hope you all are healthy and staying safe. So today we are going to discuss about a topic called as Deha Prakriti or physical constitution. It's a very basic concept in Ayurveda and it's important for each one of us to know about it. It is very important to maintain our own health and also to prevent diseases. So many of you must have heard about words like Vata, Pitta and Kapha and even Deha Prakriti, but you must have wondered what do these mean. So today through this video I'm going to clarify all these concepts. So Prakriti, a word literally means nature. So when you talk about Deha Prakriti or the physical constitution, you are talking about the nature of an individual. According to Ayurveda, human being is the replica of the universe. As you know, the universe is made up of five basic elements or the Panchamahabhutas: Vayu, Jala, Tej, Prithvi and Akash. These are the five elements. These five elements, they combine together in three different combinations in each and every individual, and they express themselves in the form of Vata, Pitta and Kapha. These three are together called as the Tridoshas or the three humors of the human beings. Let's understand this better. So out of all the five elements, the earth and the water element, they combine together to form the Kapha dosha. The water and the fire element, they combine together to form the Pitta dosha. The air and the vacuum or the ether element, they combine together to form the Vata dosha. So this is how the three doshas are formed from the five elements. Now, as per the combination or the percentages of the combination of these five elements, we may have different levels of each dosha in a specific individual. Let's take an example. Suppose if a person is having the earth and the water element in excess, then he would have Kapha dosha as his dominant dosha or at a higher level as compared to his Pitta and Vata dosha. Let's take another example. Suppose if a person is having air and the ether or the vacuum element in higher percentages, then he would have the Vata dosha in excess as compared to the Kapha dosha or the Pitta dosha. So accordingly, the dominant dosha is known to be the Prakriti of that person. A person having Kapha dosha in excess will have Kapha Prakriti. A person who's having Pitta dosha in excess will have Pitta Prakriti. And a person who's having Vata dosha in excess will have Vata Prakriti. Sometimes we may have combinations of two doshas, and accordingly we may have combinations of two Prakritis. For example, out of all the five elements, suppose if a person is having earth, water and fire, all these three elements in an equally dominant combination, then that person would be having Kapha and Pitta dosha as his dominant doshas, and accordingly his Prakriti would be a combined joint Kapha Pitta Prakriti. So accordingly, there are different combinations of Prakriti depending upon the different permutation and combinations of the five elements. In a rare occasional scenario, we can even have a triple Prakriti or a Sannipatik Prakriti as we call it in Ayurveda, where all the three doshas are equally distributed according to the equal combinations of all the five elements. So this is how a person gets his Prakriti. Now let's see the significance and the uses of Prakriti. So the Prakriti is formed at the time of the embryonic fertilization, and since then till the last breath of the individual, the Prakriti doesn't change at all. It remains the same throughout. Prakriti defines a person's physical, mental, physiological and emotional attributes. So how you look, how you think, your intellect, your hunger, your digestion, your bowel movements and how fast you can get angry, all these things depend upon your Prakriti. Even the diseases you are more likely to suffer depends upon your Prakriti. Accordingly, if a person knows his Prakriti, he can prevent many of his diseases by either following or avoiding many things related to his food, his sleep, his lifestyle, his exercises. So this was a short, brief introduction about Prakriti. In my next video, I will let you know, or I will teach you how to find out your own Prakriti. So until next time, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much.